What are you reading out? Wait, what's that? No. Wait, what the? Bro, I don't know where I'm at. Wait, hold up. I don't know where I'm at. Wait, what? What is this? Wait, bro, what are you reading out? Buddy, that is way too far away from my address if that's what you're trying to read. So I'm at this random place. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's like infinite. Wait, what? Bro, I'm gonna send you this video after, bro. This is insane. I'm gonna have to send this to the devs. Yes, bro. I don't know where I'm at. And they can't just tell me, oh, that's just the base plate for the virtual map. I was at that place. I don't know how I spawned. I'm still trying to figure out how I spawned there. But I pooped 5 minutes after that. Wait, I see the roof. I see the top. I see the top. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Bro, you're gonna want to see this. You're gonna want to see this. Wait, that isn't, bro. I may have or may have not just found something insane. Bro, I see the virtual map. Yes. I gotta go up. I have to go up. Bro, I'm making a discovery, bro. Wait, I'm on the roof. I do. Not in the gay way, in a friend way. So I'm kind of like just sliding across the surface of this map. Whoa, okay. I found the end. I found the end. Bro, where is this? I mean, I guess it would be too obvious that they would have to put the virtual in. But how did I accidentally just fly under it and then just encounter it? That's insane. I found another wall. But this one's weird because this one isn't like next to the map. It's different. Blood thinks he's built different. No, this game. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna send this to you.